In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Wish account on the computer. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Wish account just like I did. This is my Wish account. I'm at the popular page right now. And then you want to go to your profile picture over here. You want to go down to settings and hit settings. Then you want to go down again to account settings, go down again till you see this red text over here that says manage account. Hit manage account, and here you can choose for deactivate your account or permanently delete your account. If you deactivate your account, your name, reviews, photos, everything will be deleted, but when you try to log in on your Wish account again, it will accept it and you can just log in and use Wish again on your same account. If you don't want that and you want just to completely delete your account permanently, you have to choose this one. If you delete your account permanently on Wish, you can sign in at a later moment. Everything will be deleted. All your reviews, photos, everything is gone. So I want to delete everything of my account, so hit permanently delete account. That is trying to authenticate you, so you have to send an email. And now it sends an email to your email address. So I'm going to put the code down here. As you can see, I got an email of Wish. Hi Jack, this is a test email to confirm that you are really wanted to delete your account. So copy this code, paste it in here, and as you can see, it is accepted. So now you can put the reason down here why you want to delete it. So I just say I have another account. It doesn't really matter. You can basically answer anything. Hit continue and hit the red button that says delete my account. And now I successfully deleted my Wish account on the computer. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.